Hello, boys and girls. Here goes to another week, unfortunately, where Miss Vitali is not going to be in, but I'm feeling fine, and I hope that you guys are doing well, and I really cannot wait to see you face to face soon enough. So that being said, boys and girls, today you are going to get started on your good copies of your ANT activity. You're going to notice in your Showbie account in the week of September 21st, so Showbie, English 201, September month, week September 21st, you're going to have your rough draft of your ANT activity fully corrected. So everybody's is corrected. Everybody's going to be working on their good copy. There's some of you that probably already started your good copies, but today everybody is working on their good copy. So that means that whoever is replacing me today is going to give you a paper version of the writing activity so that you can recopy what Miss Vitali has corrected for you on Showbie. Once you have finished recopying what you wrote, then you can color the border, you can color the ants, okay, on the actual writing activity worksheet. Then afterwards, you're going to also be getting a paper that has a face or a head cutout and hands. And you're going to be receiving a construction paper, colored construction paper. I'm hoping it's green, okay, so that you can glue the head, the hands on the construction paper, holding your writing activity. In the front of the classroom, you should have an example that Miss Vitali has created that you can use as a reference. Now, Miss Vitali's is not colored, it's nothing like that, but at least you can see how to actually place it, okay? So the steps are, number 1, go into the September 21st folder and look at what Miss Vitali has corrected for you. Step 2, rewrite your story, your paragraph on the paper version. Step 3, color the border and the ants. Step 4, cut out the head and the hands and draw a face. Step 5, glue it all together like the example Miss Vitali has in the front of the classroom. And step 6 is just simply to write your name on it, whether it's in the front or in the back of the paper, and then you can place it in front on the step in the front of the classroom when everything is done. If you finish all this before recess time, I ask you that you go on to Raz Kids. I don't want you to get started on any new activities just yet, so just let the time go till recess, and then when you come back from recess, you'll have snack, and then you can get started on the rest of the activities, okay? So remember, September 21st, you check out your name wherever your name is, and you look at what Miss Vitali has corrected here, and then you get your paper version and you rewrite it. After recess, boys and girls, Miss Vitali has created a new folder for you. It's the October folder. You're going to go into the October 5th week. In the October 5th week, you're going to see that you have to finish IExcel section B.1, B.2, and there's going to be some word work activity that you're going to have to work on as practice for your spelling test that is going to be tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Your spelling test is tomorrow. There are 20 words that Miss Vitali has provided since last week that you guys should have reviewed and be ready to write out. In the spelling test, boys and girls, normally we would be doing it on Spelling City, but for the first one, I feel most comfortable if we write out the words rather than doing it on Spelling City because I'm not there. So whoever your replacement is going to be tomorrow, they'll handle that for you, but you'll be getting some more information tomorrow concerning that, okay? So just today is really concentrating on the ANT activity, and then IExcel section B.1 and word work activity so that you guys can practice for your spelling test tomorrow, okay? So make sure that you take a look at all of these activities that Miss Vitali has placed there for you, and then we'll hopefully see each other soon, okay? Take it easy. Bye.